Today, we will learn how can we get a negative sacrificing ratio in the chapter of admission of a partner. I mean, how can we get a sacrifice ratio in minus? You know, at the time of admission of a partner, the old partner sacrifices. But then you get the answer of sacrificing ratio in minus. So how that is possible? Let's have a look. Question says, old ratio 3:2, new ratio 3:5:2, given in the question. Given in the question. Old and new both are given. Find the sacrificing ratio. Okay. Now, let's understand. Suppose the profit is 100 rupees. Suppose the profit is 100 rupees. Earlier, this profit was distributed only between A and B. This is I'm talking about earlier. That is before C became the partner. So it was only between A and B in the old ratio 3:2. So this fellow used to get 60 rupees, 100 distributed in 3:2, 40 rupees. 60 plus 40, 100. Correct? Okay, now, suppose again the profit is rupees 100. Profit rupees 100. But this time it will be distributed between A, B and C. Correct? In the new ratio, which is given to us as what? 3:5:2. So it will be distributed as 3:5:2 between A, B and C. So when we distribute 100 in 3:5:2, that's 30, 50, 20. Correct? Okay. 30, 50, 20. Earlier only two partners were there, 60 and 40. Now if you go to see, Mr. A used to get 60 rupees, but now after C became the partner, he is just getting 30 out of 100 rupees. Earlier he was getting 60, now he is just getting 30. So 60 minus 30, sacrifice is rupees 30. 60 minus 30. B was earlier getting 40. Oh, he is now getting 50. A and B are old partners. They are doing business since last 20 years. C has just come in as a partner. But because C has come as a partner, B is going to gain 40 ka 50. This is 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30. Old minus new. Over here, it will be 40 minus 50. So actually it is minus 10. So this is called as gain of 10 rupees. Gain of 10 rupees. How about C? C has sacrificed or gain? Of course, C को तो पहले पैसा मिलता ही नहीं था. What I will do is, just for better understanding, C. So earlier C was not a partner, so he was getting rupees 0. He was getting rupees 0. Now he is getting 20. So 0 minus 20 is actually minus 20. Isn't it? Means gain of rupees 20. So negative sacrificing ratio is actually a gain to the partner. Negative sacrifice is opposite of sacrifice, that is gain. Now again, let us see the things again. Let us see. This is old. This is old scenario. A gets 60, B gets 40, C gets nothing. Okay. New scenario, A gets this much, B gets this much, C gets this much. Now let's compare between old and new. Who has sacrificed, who has gained? Old and new. A was getting 60, now he is getting only 30. So 60 minus 30, positive 30. 60 minus 30 is positive 30. That is sacrifice. अब देखो ना 60 का 30 हो गया तो इट इज अ सैक्रिफाइस ना. 40 का 50 हो गया. तो if you apply the formula of old minus new, this is old. Earlier days he was getting 40, now he is getting 50. So old minus new, वैसे minus 10 आंसर आया. लेकिन समझने के लिए it is gain of 10, isn't it? So negative sacrifice is actually a gain. सी को पहले कुछ नहीं मिलता था, अभी 20 मिल रहा है. सो ओल्ड में उसको 0 मिलता था, अभी उसको 20 मिल रहा है. सो वापस नेगेटिव आंसर यू कैन से. सो अगेन सो माय फ्रेंड्स, दिस 30 रुपीज का सेक्रीफाइस बाय ए, दिस 30 रुपीज का सेक्रीफाइस बाय ए, आउट ऑफ दैट 30 का सेक्रीफाइस 10 गोज टू बी, 20 goes to C. मैच हो रहा है, मैच हो रहा है. इसको 10 का गेन हुआ, इसको 20 का गेन हुआ. 10 plus 20 30 matches with the sacrifice. So actually speaking, if I speak a little further, B and C are gaining partners. They should compensate Mr. A. This we will see in the video on adjustments of goodwill in admission of a partner. Okay, but this is very much possible. Sacrificing ratio negative आ सकता है. 40 minus 50 minus 10. Actually, it is a gain. Correct? Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Okay. 3 is to 1 and now it is 1, 1, 1. Now my friends, I cannot take the profit as 100 rupees. Because if I distribute 100 rupees as 1 is to 1 is to 1, that is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So 100 ka 1/3 will be a decimal number. So I want to assume such a profit कि वो divide हो जाए. I want to avoid decimals. So there is a way out. What you have to do is sum of old ratio, sum of new ratio. Okay. So what is sum of old ratio? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. What is sum of new ratio? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And then the product of the two sums. 12. Assume 12 rupees as a profit. Or 12 lakh rupees or 12 crore rupees. Sum of old ratio, 3 plus 1, 4. Sum of new ratio, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Product of the two. Okay, now suppose the profit is 12. तो earlier only A, B, C को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, but still just for our understanding, A, B, C. Earlier, okay, C को तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, 0. Earlier only A and B were partner in the ratio 3 is to 1. See there, 3 is to 1. So we have rupees 3, rupees 9. 12 rupees has been distributed, 9 and 3. Now, after admission of C, rupees 12. After admission of C, A, B and C. It will be in the ratio 1:1:1. That is rupees 4, rupees 4, rupees 4. Correct? Let's check. Earlier the profit used to be distributed only between A and B. Earlier Mr. A was getting 9, now he is getting 4. So he has sacrificed rupees 5. Earlier B was getting 3, now he is going to get 4. Wow! Earlier he was getting 3, now he is going to get 4. Wow! So it's a gain of rupees 1. And of course C को पहले कुछ नहीं मिलता था, अभी 4 मिल रहा है. Wow! So gain of rupees 4. The sacrifice of A, 5, matches with the gain of B and C. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So actually speaking, the gaining partner should compensate the sacrificing partner in the name of goodwill adjustment, which we will see in some other video. So my friends, negative sacrificing ratio means gain to that partner. Isn't it surprising? B was getting 3, now he's getting 4. He's an old partner, now he's getting 4. Now he's getting new, he's getting extra money. Earlier he was getting 3 crores, now he's getting 4 crores. So 1 crore he has gained because of admission of C. Because of the change in the profit sharing ratio, he is going to gain. Isn't it? And if you do in terms of old minus new, old 3, new 4. Sacrificing ratio is old minus new. So old is 3, new is 4. You get a negative 1. Negative 1 means gain. Correct? Okay. I'll show this to you in a traditional method also. Okay, so in our traditional style, if we solve this sum, old ratio 3:1, new ratio 1:1:1, both old and new given in the question. If you solve the sacrificing ratio as old minus new, you will find A's sacrifice. We are calculating sacrifice now. So we will find A's sacrifice as 5/12 and B's sacrifice is 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. So B का sacrifice negative में आया. Negative sacrifice is gain. C के आने से B को gain हुआ, which is a very rare thing, but this is a fact. If you remember, in my example, this fellow had sacrificed sacrificed rupees 5. B had gained rupees 1. Sacrifice of 5, उसमें से B has gained rupees 1 and C gained rupees 4. If you remember that working, so you can get the answer in the fraction also. But the more clarity would be by taking a particular amount, distributing it among old partners, distributing it among the new partners, and then seeing the difference, as I explained to you in the earlier discussion. Okay, do not forget to subscribe my videos, correct, for more and more videos on the subject of accounts and costing. This concept of negative sacrificing ratio, I don't think it's there in 12th standard. Please check it out. I don't know. But to my knowledge, it's not there in 12th standard, but it's very much there in CA, foundation type exams, Inter, CS, I don't know. But in 12th, you need to check it out. Okay, and that's all in this session.